I got gold with all shotguns, so I'm going to be ranking how they look with gold. Number 4 is the Lockwood. It looks kind of awkward, I'm going to be honest. And yeah, I'm not really that good with this gun, so I'm not going to be using it too often. So, yeah. Number 3 is the Bryson 890. It's kind of ugly because, it has a magazine with a shotgun. I don't think that goes well, but gold does still look good. Number 2 is the Bryson 800. It's just a typical pump shotgun. Nothing too crazy. It looks nice, and gold obviously looks amazing in this game. So, yeah, pretty cool. Number 1 is the Expedite 12. It is the worst shotgun in the game, but I think it looks the coolest in my opinion. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. This is all my opinions, so everything for you can vary.